Good morning, my dear students. I hope all of you doing well. I welcome you all to learn about spelling. Let us start our topic is spelling. Meaning of spelling is the process or activity of writing or naming the letters of a word. It is the way a word is spelled. It is a person's ability to spell words. It is an art of assembling words from their letters. Definition of spelling. Spelling is deforming words with the correct letters in the correct order, or the ability to do this. In order to do well in spelling, we have to learn high frequency words. High frequency words are the most commonly used words in printed text, and the over 50% of all texted is composed of them. Because many are phonetically irregular, tended to be obsolete, have limited visual correspondence, or even easily understood definitions. Students must memorize them to read quickly and fluently. Example, the, and, etc. Importance of spelling. It aids in reading. It helps to cement the connection between the letters and sounds. Words in English are not always spelled as they are pronounced. Spelling in English follows some basic rules, and the majority of English words, around 75%, follow these rules. We can learn the rules, but they are always expansion to the rules that need to be learned too. The main basic spelling rules of English related to prefix and suffix, spelling and plurals, double letters, dropping and adding letters, and verb forms. Okay, first one is prefix. When there is a prefix, we do not normally add or take away more letters. Example, this plus obey, this obey. Miss plus spell, misspell. We commonly change the prefix into il, im, or ir. When the first letter of a word is L, M, P, or R, in becomes il before L. In becomes im before M or P. In becomes ir before R. Examples, illegible, immoral, relevant, illogical, immature, irreplaceable. Second one, spelling and plurals. There are rules for the plurals of regular nouns and the S forms of regular verbs. The general rule is add S. Example, bring, brings, day, days. If the ending is pronounced as ch or s, we added es, is. Noun plurals, bus, buses. Verb S forms, cross, crosses. If a word ends in an E, we added an S. Base, bases. Face, faces. Judge, judges. Lose, loses. If the word ends in a consonant plus Y, we change Y to I and added ES. Noun plurals. Baby, babies. Verb S forms, marry, marries. We added es to some words ending in o. Noun plurals: tomato, tomatoes. Noun plurals are verb s forms: echo, echoes. However, some words ending in o only require s: videos, discos, pianos, memos, photos. For some nouns ending in f or fe, we form the plural by changing the f or fe to vs. Loaf, loaves. Self, selves. Thief, thieves. Wife, wives. Third one, doubling consonants. We often double the final consonant of a word b, d, g, l, m, n, p, r, t. When a suffix beginning with a vowel is added, ed, er, est, ing. Hope plus ed is equal to hoped. Slim plus ing, slimming. Warning: we do not double the final consonant before a suffix if the word ends in two written consonants. Example: export, exported. Find, finding. Instant, instant. Lift, lifted. Presence, present tense. If there are two written vowels together in the word, example: meeting, rain, weekend, trainer, repeated. Fourth one, dropping and adding letters. The final e. We often drop the final e when a suffix beginning with a vowel is added to a word. Approve plus al is equal to approval. Hope plus ing, hoping. Warning: we keep the e in dying from die and seasoning of from season. From singe to differentiate the from similar words. Example: dying from die and seasoning from sing. When a suffix begins with a consonants, example: less, full, ly, or man, we do not normally drop the e. Definitely, excitement, forceful, hopeless, lately, widely. Sometimes we do drop the e. Argue, argument, true, truly. Sometimes we drop the e. Okay. Some words have alternative forms with or without an e. For example, acknowledgement or acknowledgement, and judgment or judgment. The prefix, sorry, the suffix ally. The suffix "ally" is added to adjectives ending in is to form adverbs. Basically, changing y to I. When we added a suffix to a word ending a consonants plus y, we normally change y to I. Amplify plus er, amplifier. Happy plus ly, happily. Busy plus ness, business. Hurry plus s, hurries. Warning: some words with one syllable keep the y before a suffix. Dryness, shyness, slyness. If in doubt about ie or ei, when the sound of the vowel is as in brief I, we spell it ei, but after the letter C, we spell it ei. Ei after C. Achieve, selling. Words in which y has changed to I and in ies even after ac. Emergencies. Warning: most words that do not have the pronunciation I as in brief, the usual order is e before I. Example: neighbor, leisure, height, foreign, science are common expenses. Fifth one, spelling and verb forms. Fast and ed forms. The fast and ed forms are the same in regular verbs. The following are the spelling rules of regular verbs. We added ed to the basis from the verb. Cleaned, ego, ichoned, mailed, sailed. If the word ends in e, we added d to the base from the verb. Agree, agreed, deigned, loved. If the word ends in consonant y, we change the y to before ed. Apply, applied, cry, cried. There are three common expenses. We change the y to after a vowel and just d is added. Pay, paid. Share, sad. Ing forms. The general rules is added ing to the base form of the verb. Go, going. Hurry, hurrying. Play, playing. If the words ends in e, we drop the e before ing. Love, loving. Lose, losing. Write, writing. But if the word ends in e, ye or oe, we keep the e. Agree, agreeing. Die, dying. Compares, die, dying. See, seeing. If the word ends in ie, we change the I to y and we drop the e before ing. Die, dying. Lie, lying. Tie, tying.